Negotiation is making a comeback in the real estate market, and it's more important than ever to know what's up for discussion. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, understanding the key negotiation points can save you time, money, and stress. Let's jump in and explore the most common areas to negotiate during a home transaction. Hello, I'm Frank Kenny with Living in Los Angeles South Bay, and today we're going to talk about what can be negotiated in a real estate transaction. But before we do that, please like and subscribe so you're guaranteed to receive all of our helpful videos. Okay, let's get straight to the point. Most things in a home purchase are up for negotiation. Here are some of the key areas that you can discuss whether you're a buyer or the seller. Number one is the sales price, obviously. This one's a no-brainer. The sale price is often the first thing buyers will negotiate, especially in today's market where affordability is tight. If you're selling, be prepared to consider offers that are lower than your asking price, or you might need to adjust your expectations to attract serious buyers. The second thing is home repairs. After the inspection, buyers can request that certain repairs be made before closing. If you're the seller and don't want to handle the repairs yourself, you can offer to reduce the sale price or cover some of the closing costs to offset the expense for the buyer. The third thing is fixtures and appliances. Want that washer and dryer to stay with the house? Well, buyers can ask for appliances or even furniture to be included in the deal. Sellers, this can be a great way to sweeten the offer without lowering your price. Just think, those appliances might help you close the deal faster. And the fourth thing is closing costs. Buyers, did you know you can ask the seller to cover some or all of your closing costs? These typically run about 2 to 5% of the home's purchase price, so getting help with this can make a big difference when it comes to your upfront expenses. Number 5 is home warranties. Are you worried about maintenance costs after you move in? Well, buyers can request that the seller pays for a home warranty policy. It's usually a small cost for the seller, but it can bring peace of mind for the buyer, and that's a win-win. Number 6 is the closing date, or timing is everything. Whether you need a faster closing or more time to prepare, the closing date is something you can negotiate. Buyers and sellers finding a compromise on this will help ensure a smoother transition for both parties. Well, one thing's for sure, whether you're buying or selling, your real estate agent is your best resource during negotiations. They should have the expert skills needed to handle all the back and forth conversations and advocate for your best interests. Your agent can also dig deeper during discussions with the other side's agent, helping uncover what the buyer or seller really wants. That insight can be a game changer when it comes to making a deal work. As Bankrate says, agents should have expert negotiating skills. Without one, you must negotiate the terms of the contract on your own, so don't go it alone. Lean on your agent to guide you through the process and help you get the best outcome. Okay, the bottom line here is that in today's market, buyers are starting to regain some negotiation power. If you're buying, knowing what you can negotiate will help you feel confident as you move forward with your purchase. And if you're selling, understand what buyers might ask for gives you a chance to plan ahead and decide what you're willing to offer. Want to chat more about what you expect in your next real estate transaction? Connect with us today to explore your options and get professional expert guidance every step of the way. Reach out to us today to go over all of your options and let us help you find the right home for you in this shifting market. Now, if you have any questions about the housing market today, please put a comment below or contact us directly. This is Frank Kenny with Living in Los Angeles South Bay. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.